Hey guys, if you want to use your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 without keeping your phone nearby, you're in the right place. The Galaxy Fit 3 must be paired with the phone during its initial setup, but once that's complete, many features continue working even when the phone isn't connected. Activity tracking, monitoring, alarms, timers, and workout recording can all operate independently. However, notifications, call alerts, and data synchronization require a phone connection. These are the steps you can try to fix this and use your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 without your phone. So let's get started. 1. Complete the initial setup with the official Samsung app. 2. Disconnect Bluetooth or leave your phone behind after the setup is finished. 3. Start workouts, check your heart rate or use alarms and timers directly from the Fit 3. 4. Save your activity data on the band while you're away from your phone. 5. Reconnect the Fit 3 to your phone later to automatically sync your fitness data.